As you take MB Core and MB Enhance, their ingredients are going to travel through the intestinal tract and ultimately reach the colon where the L cells are. Each of the ingredients in the GLP-1 activation blend and MB Core act in different ways to directly activate L cells to produce GLP-1. This is a key differentiator. Inferior products may have 1 or 2 of those ingredients, but in the case of cellular activation, the 8 ingredients in this blend ensure ignition of the entire pathway. MB Enhance creates the perfect environment for MB Core to do its work. In this case, we are literally enhancing the results. It contains the GLP-1 activation support blend made up of ingredients like resistant starches and fibers that feed the microbiome, including organisms like Akkermansia. These organisms are important because they produce short-chain fatty acids such as butyrate, which then travel to the L cells and stimulate GLP-1 production. Now, you may have heard of Akkermansia as an ingredient in some products, but it's really uncertain whether all of it actually makes it to the colon where it's needed. And we know that the ingredients in MB Enhance get where they need to go. The 2 products work synergistically to activate and upregulate key genes in the GLP-1 pathway. Basically, we're targeting multiple parts of the pathway to ensure optimal GLP-1 production. And this is going to include 3 different genes. The first is GCG, which is a gene that directs the production of proglucagon, a precursor protein for GLP-1. After proglucagon is made, it needs to be broken down into smaller pieces to become active, and that's where the second gene comes in. PCSK1 encodes for the enzyme that cleaves proglucagon into active GLP-1. And then, finally, the MB products also target GLP-1R, which helps your body activate more receptors for GLP-1 to bind to, so you can have more GLP-1 activity in the body. All this ultimately leads to an 140% increase in GLP-1 production, which is incredible.